Food truck. Fair find. Play. Swipe objects to reveal a surprise. Swipe something that starts with the letter B. That's a big bunch of balloons. Swipe something that starts with the letter W. The puppy wags its tail in the wagon. Swipe something that starts with the letter L. Look at those luscious lollipops. Swipe something that starts with the letter K. Fancy kite. Swipe something that starts with the letter Y. Do you have a yo-yo? You had fun with beginning sounds.
Oh, yeah! That's awesome!
Puzzles.